Today, there is no doubt that Dornsife's education stacks up against anyone's. There are 3 high-level attributes that institutions can offer their undergraduates. 1 is a curated educational experience. 2 is school spirit, a wide range of student activities, and a diverse and welcoming culture. And 3 is the opportunity to learn from and work directly with the experts who are writing the novels and textbooks, and who are making the discoveries that are going to change the world. There are plenty of places that offer 1 or 2, but I can count on one hand the number of places that offer all 3. And not only do we offer all 3, we do it in a signature, future-focused way that responds to this moment when rapid and unpredictable changes are transforming both our society and our natural world. Our Dornsife education combines the best aspects of a traditional liberal arts education, while we add skills-based training, robust career advising, and an unparalleled set of hands-on learning experiences. Our students shape their own educational path in a diverse environment that helps them learn to listen and share ideas with respect and civility. And this special undergraduate experience is only possible because those educational programs are from this forward-thinking research enterprise.